Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss English 3 Quarter 1 Week 8 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Drawing Conclusions. Here are the learning competencies. Comprehend informational text. Number 4, draw conclusions and express ideas about one's experiences. Number 2, content-specific topics. And for our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to draw conclusions from the given text, express ideas about one's experiences by drawing conclusions, and participate actively in class. Before we start, let's play a game. Who is it? Here is the mechanics. First, look at the given picture. Second, identify the occupation portrayed by each picture. And third, you have 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the first picture? Very good. The correct answer is teacher. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the second picture? Awesome! The correct answer is doctor. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the third picture? Very good. The correct answer is farmer. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the fourth picture? Good job. The correct answer is policeman. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the fifth picture? Very good. The correct answer is fisherman. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the sixth picture? Awesome. The correct answer is fireman or firefighter. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the seventh picture? Good job. The correct answer is nurse. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the eighth picture? Awesome. The correct answer is baker. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the ninth picture? Very good. The correct answer is engineer. What do you think is the occupation portrayed by the last picture? Awesome. The correct answer is soldier. Did you enjoy our game? Awesome! Now, let's proceed to our discussion about our topic, drawing conclusions. What is conclusions and how do we draw conclusions? A conclusion is a final information or statement drawn from pictures viewed or text read. Conclusion also relies on facts. It allows the reader to think of what could be the output or end result based on reading and or observations. To better understand our topic, here are some examples. Example number 1. You saw a child with a messy face and an empty cookie jar. What would be your conclusion? Awesome! Probably the child ate the cookies. Another example, the movie ended and everyone in the audience clapped. What would be your conclusion? Awesome! Probably they all liked the movie. This time, let's move on to the application. Let's read the directions. Write the conclusion that is most appropriate to each statement. Are you ready? Let's start. You have 10 seconds to answer. Number 1. Arthur went to the canteen and bought a meal. He sat down beside his friend Angelo. They prayed first. What would be the possible conclusion? Very good. Our conclusion could be, after praying, they ate their meal together. Number 2. Carlotta sang a beautiful song during the competition. The audience applauded her performance. Everybody congratulated her after the host announced the winners. What would be the possible conclusion? Very good. Our conclusion would be, Carlotta won the competition and received praise from everyone. Number 3. The school bus arrived. Rebecca quickly finished her breakfast. She then took her bag and ran fast. What would be our possible conclusion? Very good. Our possible conclusion would be, Rebecca caught the school bus just in time. Number 4. When Rena got home, she opened her bag and took her pen, notebook, and books. She read her homework. What would be the possible conclusion? Very good. Our possible conclusion would be, Rena started doing her homework right after getting home. And for number 5, the teacher checked the attendance. Afterwards, she asked the pupils to sit and bring out their books. What could be the possible conclusion? Awesome! Our possible conclusion could be, The students got ready for the lesson after the attendance check. This time, let's move on to generalization. Let's answer the question, what is drawing conclusions? Awesome! A conclusion is a final information or statement drawn from pictures viewed or text read. Conclusion also relies on facts. It allows the reader to think of what could be the output or end result based on reading and/or observations. Now, let's have some evaluation. Let's read the directions. Read each passages and choose the sentence that draws a conclusion about each of the text. Put a check on the box. Are you ready? Let's begin. You have 5 seconds to answer. Number 1. Anne took out bread, peanut butter, and jelly. This probably means that Anne is going to make a sandwich or Anne is going to make a pizza. Very good. The correct answer is Anne is going to make a sandwich. Number 2. Ben smiled when he opened the gift from his dad. This probably means that Ben likes storybooks or Ben likes the gift. Awesome! The correct answer is Ben likes the gift. Number 3. Ken blew out the candles on the cake. This probably means that it is Ken's birthday or it is Christmas morning. Good job! The correct answer is it is Ken's birthday. Number 4. Linda took out her notebooks and a pencil out of her backpack. This probably means that Linda is going out to play or Linda is going to do her homework. Very good. The correct answer is Linda is going to do her homework. And for number 5, Charlie threw a tennis ball across the yard and called, "Fetch, Pebbles." This probably means that Charlie is playing with his dog or Charlie is playing soccer with his friend Carlos. Awesome! The correct answer is Charlie is playing with his dog. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3 Quarter 1 Week 8 of the revised K-12 curriculum, and it's all about drawing conclusions. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.